Here are a few essential home maintenance tasks you should include in your August checklist. First off, air conditioning check. Keep an eye out for any issues with your air conditioning system, such as dirty filters or a faulty unit. Regularly clean or replace them, and don't forget to schedule an annual professional inspection to prevent any breakdowns. Next up is gutter cleaning. Wash out gutters and downspouts to prevent water damage during the summer months. Ensuring proper drainage prevents the buildup of debris and reduces the risk of clogs. Next up is roof inspection. Check for any damage, such as missing shingles or leaks on your roof. Also, pay attention to the attic for proper ventilation and insulation, as it's essential for energy efficiency. Moving on to fall landscaping. Trim back any overgrown plants and trees, and start planting your fall garden. It's a great time to plant some perennials that will bloom in the spring. Lastly, pay attention to smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Test and replace batteries in any smoke or carbon monoxide detectors to ensure they're operating at full capacity. These safety measures are crucial during the cooler months when heating systems are more widely used. Keeping these tasks in mind can ensure that your home stays safe and efficient throughout the changing seasons. If you're considering selling or buying a home in Gainesville or Newberry, please reach out to Siri Blumberg, your local Gainesville realtor.